Over the weekend, a Chinese AI model called Kimmy K3 knocked Claude and GPT-4 off the top of every leaderboard, not in 6 months, overnight. And it's not just winning, it's cheaper, faster, and it's already forcing American companies to shut down to avoid bankruptcy. But here's what nobody's talking about. This didn't happen by accident. It happened because America ignored four structural pillars. Kimmy K3 cost 50 cents to $1 per million tokens. Claude cost $26 to $56 for the same thing. That's 100 times cheaper. And the Chinese model is better. You might think that's just market competition. It's not. This is what happens when an entire economic system is built on the wrong foundation. American AI companies are burning billions with zero path to profit. They're betting someday customers will pay premium prices. China took a different approach. They controlled the money. They subsidized the entire ecosystem. They made speed and dominance the goal, not extraction. One system prints money trying to recoup losses. The other prints money to own the market. But controlling money doesn't matter if you can't actually build anything. America designed the best chips in the world. Then we outsourced manufacturing to Taiwan. When we banned AI chips from going to China, we thought we won. We lost. That ban forced China to do something America never learned: get efficient. They couldn't throw unlimited compute at problems, so they innovated smarter, better algorithms, actual engineering. American labs did what they always do: throw more money at it. China out-engineered us because we never engineered under real constraint. But innovation needs infrastructure to scale. China's government didn't just subsidize AI companies, it built the entire ecosystem. Coordinated data centers, power grids, state-backed compute farms, everything connected. America's infrastructure is fragmented. Google builds for Google, Microsoft builds for Microsoft, no national strategy. When China needed scale, they had it. When Anthropic needed it, they literally had to pause subscriptions because their infrastructure couldn't handle demand. And then there's the speed problem. Chinese models have no safety guardrails, no hesitation. They solve the problem. American labs built safety into everything. That's morally defensible. It's also a competitive death sentence. Developers switched. Microsoft announced they're testing K3. Every company asking why pay more for less got their answer. Innovation isn't just about being smart, it's about speed to market, and we lost that. Now here's what matters. This isn't a technology problem. This is structural. When one pillar cracks, the structure weakens. When four crack simultaneously, everything changes. America lost control over credit, so we can't subsidize our ecosystem. We stopped manufacturing, so we can't innovate under constraint. Our infrastructure isn't coordinated, and we're too cautious. This is happening right now in AI. It already happened in automotive. Chinese EVs are faster, cheaper, and better. It's happening in semiconductors, batteries, renewable energy, same pattern everywhere. The question isn't whether AI matters, it's whether we understand why we're losing it. There's a framework that explains exactly this. It's called the 7 Pillars of Freedom. It breaks down the 7 foundational pillars every nation depends on to stay independent. And right now, you're watching those pillars crack in real time. You can find it at 7pillars.com. Download the framework guide, and you'll start seeing these patterns everywhere. Because once you see the structure, you can't unsee it.